Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make DIY slime. So let's get started. The first that you need, I put a glue in my container. Then put your liquid borax with food color. Put it. So then give it a nice mix. Oh, after you mix it, you put a detergent powder. Okay, then mix. Add more of it. So then mix it. Sorry for the sounds because it's rainy day. So yeah, I think it makes slime. So don't forget to like and subscribe my video. So yeah, it's making slime. So guys, this is the slime. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my video. Bye.